Barn owlets Skye, Spirit and Echo are around 7 weeks old and thriving. The eldest two chicks, Skye and Spirit, are nearly ready to fledge. Echo is 5 days younger and is less advanced than the siblings. And now the others are occupied, she has more space in the nest to explore and hone some essential skills. Like headbobbing, which is how barn owls identify objects. And pouncing, which this barn owl will need to survive outside the nest. Eldest sibling Skye soon comes back inside. You can see her down is being replaced by new flight feathers. I don't think it'll be long before she fledges. Parents Willow and Ghost only return at night to feed them. So the chicks are left completely alone during the day. It's great to see Skye and Spirit taking care of younger sibling Echo. By the 13th of April, these owl chicks are growing restless and are now more interested in the outside world, which makes this the perfect time to get set up in my hide. That's amazing, both Skye and Echo are in the entrance. When you see them like this, you can really see the age difference in between them. Skye is 5 days older than Echo, and it really shows here. I love being able to watch them this close from my hide. Look how inquisitive they are. This one's watching a fly. Another fly's flown into it. It's getting late, so I'm going to leave them to it now. That night, Skye flies from the nest for the very first time. But she doesn't go far. After jumping around outside and exploring, she's soon back in the nest. Barn owl chicks usually return to the nest once they're fledged, to be fed by the parents. Which is a good thing, as tomorrow they're getting their identification rings. So today's a really exciting day. It's ringing day for the owlets up in Sycamore Stump. They're already 7 weeks old, so I'm going to head in and get them out. So there's the first owlet, absolutely beautiful. So with the chicks being a bit bigger this time when we're ringing them, I'm just going to separate them off. Just put them in this bag. Alright then Jean, we've got some lovely healthy owlets here. So this is the middle chick.
Spirit, is it? This one?
Spirit, yes.
Spirit.
No, I don't...
well grown, they weren't long for the fledge, will they?
I know, yeah. They're doing really well. There's a few tiny little sparkles there. But when we see the next two, they're very dark.
So the bag weighs 55 grams.
All right then. All right, I'm letting go.
So it's 500 on here, so that's 55 off, so 4,
5.
Yeah.
At the moment, I think he's a male. Looking at the others, he's got very few sparkles here. There's a little bit of colour here, but wait until you see the other two. Yeah, they're really coloured. I'll do it one-handed with professional. There we go. When you see these two together.
Oh God, aye.
Yeah.
So very much a female. This one's no mistaken, isn't it?
Yeah.
For them sparkles are there.
And with them being out the same clutch, she produces quite dark chicks.
Yeah, and a lovely dark face, hasn't she?
Yeah, so I'll pop this one away.
This ring is individual to this bird, so if it ever turns up again, we'll know.
Yeah, so these are all registered with the BTO, British Trust for Ornithology, and we're making notes of all of the sizes, the weights, and the ring numbers here of these owls. All right.
Bag love.
Yeah, let's get away in. Yes, this one weighs 405, so that's a good way to do well, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Okay.
So this is Skye, and she's a female, and you can see she's a female because of all these really beautiful speckles under her wings and on her breast here, but this really dark facial trim as well. So when barnowls are hunting, their legs are actually perfectly positioned, so when they go in and grasp the voles or the mice, they don't actually end up catching their own feet too much, so they fit perfectly together this way, but then have quite a spread to be able to catch the rodents. So it's always amazing to put the feet together. It's like pieces of a jigsaw. Now, this is the bigger one that's a bit...
We are still a bit fluffy, aren't you? Still got lots of fluff.
Yes, this is the last chick, and if we just look at the sex again, because everyone's very excited to see what we've got here. And we're going female again, aren't we, Jane, do you think?
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah, we've got all these little sparkles under, these little markings under the wing and coming through on the breast. This is the age you can start to sort of tell.
I'll bite you.
So this is the youngest chick that we've got here, and this one's Echo. All right, another weigh in. So we've got this owl that we're weighing in at 430, so that's a really good weight, isn't it, for a young owl? So we've got them all lined up. We've got Spirit here, and we've got Skye here and Echo here. So these two in the end here are females, and this one's a male, beautiful male with lovely markings. All right, I'm just going to pop them back in the bag and get them back in their nest. So that's been fabulous to get the rings on these owls. They've all got individual numbers, and we're going to get them back in the nest box now. So that's got the owlets all safely back in the nest, and they're going to be fledging in the next week. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to see more. Here's a taste of what you'll enjoy seeing on this channel.